Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of December, 2024, and now we are here to present a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of December 2nd, 2024, our system has categorized Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.48. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.4%. This equates to an average return of 0.71% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad but weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at $633.34 would signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 7.02% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 4.04% to positive 7.45%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 46.5% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between 23.54% and 47.12%. This would result in a price range of $779.25 to $928.05 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, "Evaluation of Meta stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Meta stock price experienced a decline of nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of December, 2024. It fell from $632.68 to $630.79. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.5%, reaching a low of $627.21 and a high of $636.66. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by over 10% in the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume saw a reduction of 3 million shares, totaling 7 million shares exchanged for approximately $4.5 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $638.40, while the lowest price was $328.64. Presently, the stock price stands 1.19%, or $7.61, below the 52-week high of $638.40, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is currently facing a significant challenge as the Australian government has introduced a plan to tax major digital platforms, including Meta, unless they compensate local news organizations. This could impose additional financial burdens on the company and may create pressure on its stock in the short term. However, despite this potential setback, Meta's broader performance remains robust. Recently, both Meta and Apple reached all-time highs, highlighting the growing investor confidence in this tech giant amidst a competitive landscape. Furthermore, predictions suggest that Meta could surpass Nvidia's market value by the year 2028, indicating substantial long-term growth potential, driven largely by its investments in artificial intelligence. The company's commitment to enhancing its AI capabilities is a critical factor for its stock performance. Analysts forecast significant capital expenditures aimed at this growth area, projecting up to $40 billion this year to support its AI initiatives. This strategic focus, combined with a strong advertising revenue base, positions Meta well for sustained profitability. In a notable market indicator, Meta's stock has shown a stable uptrend throughout the year 2024, driving accumulated insider confidence as trading activities reflect optimism about future performance. The current consensus rating indicates a buy, with projections suggesting prices could reach $995 by the year 2030. Despite near-term risks, the fundamentals support a positive outlook for Meta's stock in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive grade with a hold action. On the same day, UBS rated Meta with a buy grade and also recommended a hold action. Additionally, Scotiabank provided Meta with a sector perform grade, accompanied by a hold action. Cantor Fitzgerald, on that date, issued an overweight grade for Meta, along with a hold recommendation. Lastly, JMP Securities rated Meta as outperform while also suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book value also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of 620.41 cents, as well as 583.97 cents. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 11th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by approximately 0.299%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 92 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 85 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $591.80 and $576.47. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $591.80. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $576.47 and $567.58. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $9.45 between its high and low, or 1.51%. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.63%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.76. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $632.68. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 23,622 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 45.421. Overall, insiders purchased 68,838 shares and sold 183,991 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $608.50, which represents a decrease of 3.53%. This stock experiences medium daily price movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 79, significantly heightening the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest a potential buying opportunity at the current level. There is a reasonable chance for Meta stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our rating from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of December, we anticipate Meta to open at a gain of approximately 76 cents, beginning trading at $631.55. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.